How to perform the TRX suspension trainer shoulder press. Variation with proper form. Setup. 1. Anchor point. Secure your TRX to a high anchor point. 2. Strap length. Adjust straps to fully lengthened or mid-length. 3. Starting position. Stand facing away from the anchor point. Hold one handle in each hand with a palms forward grip. Arms bent, elbows just below shoulder height. Lean forward slightly into the straps so there's light tension. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels, like a plank. Execution. 1. Press. Press your hands up and slightly forward, extending your arms overhead as if doing an overhead shoulder press. Keep your core braced and body in a straight line. Don't let your back arch. Ribs stay down and glutes lightly engaged. 2. Return. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your hands back to starting position, maintaining control. 3. Reps. Perform 8 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Form tips. Avoid leaning too far forward. You want to challenge your shoulders, not overload your chest. Engage your core to keep a neutral spine. Press at an angle that feels natural for your shoulder mobility. Wrists stay in line with your forearms. Don't let them collapse. Muscles worked. Deltoids, especially anterior front. Triceps, trapezius and upper back. Core, for stability. Chest, slightly. Modifications, easier. Step your feet back slightly. More upright body, less resistance. Harder. Step forward more. Deeper lean. Greater load. Please check my next video.